Every individual embarking on the journey of hosting on Airbnb or becoming a vacation rental host begins with a dream. A dream of obtaining financial freedom, all while creating unforgettable experiences for your guests. This dream serves as the foundation for all of your aspirations. And if you've ever imagined becoming a co-host on Airbnb, we've put together a wealth of valuable resources, including comprehensive guides, insightful blogs, and essential tips, all consolidated into one single video. Airbnb Investing: Understanding the Process. For individuals new to the realm of real estate and short-term rentals, the entire process can appear daunting, giving you feelings of uncertainty. We acknowledge these concerns and assure you that anyone with the right plan and access to accurate data can become a successful Airbnb host or investor. Our aim is to provide you with the necessary guidance and knowledge to navigate this territory effectively. Discover how to finance your Airbnb property. Irrespective of the market you choose to operate in, most Airbnb hosts require financing for their properties. Even during less favorable investment climates, there is no need to abandon your plans entirely. Instead, focus on identifying the right investment location and property that aligns with your financial goals. Additionally, you may explore rental arbitrage, a popular strategy that allows you to run a short-term rental without owning the property itself. Airbnb arbitrage, is it the right fit for you? Airbnb arbitrage, the practice of renting a property long-term and then subletting it on vacation rental platforms like Airbnb or VRBO, is not only legal, but also a potentially lucrative endeavor in many locations. This approach enables new hosts to enter a market or invest in a property that would otherwise be financially out of reach.
Before we dive in, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do you want the chance to win a brand new iPhone 14 Pro, MacBook Pro, or a $500 Amazon gift card? Find the hidden message that's in the video, comment it down below, and subscribe to the channel. We will choose one random subscriber in each video for a chance to win one of these amazing prizes. Don't forget to hit the like button, and good luck.
Determine the best places to invest in Airbnbs. When considering investment opportunities, your motivation for owning a vacation rental plays a significant role. Are you primarily seeking a solid real estate investment? If your goal is to own a home that generates self-sustaining income in a location you personally enjoy, we recommend utilizing AirDNA's Market Minder tool. This powerful resource enables you to assess whether your favorite destination holds promising investment prospects. By understanding market trends and analyzing competition, you can make informed decisions regarding the financial viability of your preferred vacation destination. The impact of regulations on your Airbnb venture. Regulations surrounding Airbnb vary from market to market and often evoke mixed sentiments. However, understanding the influence of local regulations on your earnings potential is vital for any host or investor. It is essential to consider whether these regulations will have a positive or negative impact. Regardless of your stance, it is crucial to stay updated on existing regulations and engage with local short-term rental advocacy organizations. This involvement ensures you have a voice in any pending regulations under discussion in your area. For those interested in participating on a larger scale, joining national groups such as Rent Responsibly and VRMA can be beneficial. In case you encounter concerns or challenges related to regulations for your existing vacation rental property, it is advisable to seek legal counsel. Online advice can be unreliable and even hazardous, so it's always best to consult a trained specialist. Master the art of pricing your Airbnb effectively. In today's fiercely competitive vacation rental climate, conducting thorough research is imperative when it comes to pricing your Airbnb property. Relying on guesswork will make it challenging to generate consistent profits. To set optimal nightly rates, you need a comprehensive understanding of your market dynamics, competition, seasonal trends, and economic factors. Most importantly, you must trust data-driven insights to guide your decision-making process accurately. Analyzing and understanding your competition. Achieving success in the Airbnb realm entails not only comprehending your own property, but also obsessively studying the offerings of your competitors. That's why we recommend creating a custom comparison set. It's crucial to realize that your direct competition may not be the Airbnb property next door, as they may offer a completely different experience or property type. By evaluating similar properties and benchmarking their performance, you gain invaluable insights into pricing strategies, amenities, and overall popularity. Performance benchmarking is an essential practice for any thriving Airbnb business. Choosing the right pricing strategy. Crafting a sound pricing strategy is paramount for success in the Airbnb market. Every host aims to set the best nightly rate, maximizing revenue potential. To achieve this, it's essential to employ a data-driven Airbnb pricing tool that accurately assesses your location, competition, and demand dynamics. Such tools eliminate guesswork and propose optimized rates, providing confidence in your pricing decisions. Listing on multiple platforms. While Airbnb serves as a prominent online travel agency, it's worth considering listing your property on other platforms such as VRBO, Zillow, or even the Facebook Marketplace. By expanding your presence to multiple listing platforms, you broaden your reach and increase your chances of attracting potential guests. Captivating guests with stunning photography. The importance of high-quality Airbnb photography should never be underestimated. It can significantly impact your property's occupancy rate, and experienced hosts understand its crucial role. Ensure that your listing photos expertly showcase your property's interior, exterior, amenities, and unique features. Investing in professional real estate photography is not just an option but a necessary step to create an enticing listing. Understanding the dynamics of Airbnb cleaning fees. Airbnb cleaning fees have become a hot topic within the vacation rental industry. While they may seem like a minor detail, excessive cleaning fees can lead to guest dissatisfaction and impact your booking activity. Airbnb now displays the total price including all fees when guests search for homes. Consequently, a high cleaning fee can make your listing appear significantly more expensive than nearby alternatives, potentially reducing its visibility. To remain competitive, it is crucial to align your cleaning fee with the market and property type. The average cleaning fee varies depending on factors such as the size and location of your listing. For instance, a one-bedroom listing generally has a cleaning fee below $100, while a 5+ bedroom home may have a cleaning fee approaching $350. Moreover, cleaning fees for properties in small city or rural locations tend to be lower compared to those in destination, mountain, and coastal cities. Selecting suitable furniture for your property. Modern vacation rental guests seek curated experiences, emphasizing the importance of cohesive furnishings. Regardless of the source or cost of the furniture, the key consideration is selecting pieces that align with your listing's price tier. It's essential to match your furniture choices with the expectations of your target market. For instance, Pottery Barn furniture might be too expensive for a budget property, while a luxury property should offer furnishings that exceed the standards set by IKEA. Efficiently managing your Airbnb as a business. To unlock the full revenue potential of short-term rentals, it is crucial to manage your Airbnb property as a legitimate business rather than a mere side hustle. While this may initially sound daunting or time-consuming, it doesn't have to be. By adopting effective management practices, you can ensure the success and profitability of your vacation rental venture. Exploring remote Airbnb management options. Perhaps you found the perfect property but are concerned about managing it from a distance due to its geographical location. Fear not, as remote Airbnb management is more accessible than you might think. Many hosts have successfully implemented this approach, enjoying substantial returns on their investments. Maintaining a long-term perspective. In the dynamic world of Airbnb hosting, it's vital not to overreact to changes in bookings or economic conditions. Like any other aspect of life, the hosting journey has its ups and downs. During challenging periods, it's crucial to rely on data-driven insights rather than succumb to panic. Continuously reevaluate your business plan when necessary, and consider implementing the tips shared in the How to Price Your Airbnb and Setting Up Your Airbnb Listing sections. These insights can prove invaluable even if your listing is not brand new. Aim for Airbnb Superhost status. Becoming an Airbnb Superhost can significantly impact your bookings and overall success. The title carries weight and offers special perks to hosts. It's worth noting that superhosts consistently achieve higher revenue than non-superhosts. Striving to attain superhost status can provide a competitive edge and enhance your hosting reputation. Expand your data analytics beyond Airbnb's offerings. While Airbnb provides internal analytics, these insights are unfortunately limited in scope. To elevate your vacation rental business to new heights, it is essential to leverage advanced Airbnb data analytics tools. Such tools eliminate guesswork and enable you to make data-backed decisions with confidence. Some of the limitations of Airbnb's built-in analytics include the availability of only 1 year of data and a lack of insights into what Airbnb considers as similar listings. The only question now is, have you already started co-hosting on Airbnb? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. In fact, if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to become an Airbnb co-host in 30 days, we've put together the perfect video for you to watch next. Click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.